channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to integrate QuickBook with the CLIO. For creating the QuickBook with the CLIO, so guys, it is very easy. First of all, before you connect, ensure your data is consistent in both CLIO and QuickBooks to avoid the error and ensure the accurate syncing. Verify the client name matches exactly across both the platform and consolidate any duplicate contact or the matter in the CLIO. Ensure all the CLIO users have appropriate permission for integration. Consider backing up your QuickBooks Online company files and reconcile your CLO trust account with your bank statement. After that, connecting CLO to the QuickBook Online. So this is the core step. For this, first of all, log in into your CLO account and go to the setting, where you select the option of integration and locate the QuickBook Online, and you will be redirected to the QuickBook Online login page and log in into your QuickBook Online account. Then authorize the connection between CLIO and the QuickBook Online and confirm the successful connection message display in CLIO. Then configure your synchronization setting. So guys, return the CLIO QuickBook Online integration setting page. Map CLIO user to their corresponding QuickBook Online user. Choose whether to automatically sync a new client and matter. Define which type of data will synchronize. Select your preferred sync direction. Set a regular sync frequency such as daily or weekly. Carefully review your account mapping from the revenue and expense category and click the option of save settings. After that, initial data syncing and verification. After setting up, initiate your first synchronization through you verify that the data flow correctly. Initiate a manual sync from the CLIO integration page and allow the sufficient time for the initial data transfer to complete. Log in into your QuickBook Online account to verify and check the recent invoice and the payment for the accuracy and completeness. Then guys, compare the few key transactions in both CLIO and QuickBooks and confirm that trusted account balance are correctly reflected. Then address an immediate description using CLIO error log. So this is the way that you can do, and you can integrate your QuickBook and your CLIO. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.